Good God. Hey guys, Stephen up Ford from Ford Fortunes, creating fortunes for the future. What have we got today is some trading process. These are high frequency trading platform that I'm using at the moment. And as you can see up the top here, I've got 2.36 million already generated by this app. And the app is pretty simple actually. This is the results that I have been trading since. And on the left here, you'll see the date. And today's, I just finished my, no, sorry, I haven't finished my trading session. It's an ongoing day-to-day, except for the weekend process. And you can, and as I scroll up, it will show all my trades and the history so far that's been producing. $480 there, 58,000, 4,000, 18,000. 38,000. These are results on my trades today. Hold on, let me count how many trades that I done today. And today it's only just begun. And this is just the morning sessions that I have done. Today's on date is the 25th of September 2023. Let me count my early morning trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31. 31 trades I have made today. And if you have a look here, all in the blue, they're all winning trades. That's 100% accuracy rate. Of course, I'm collecting only the winnings and closing these trades as I go, as I see what the market is doing. So even though the market can be against me, I have a strategy to overcome market fluctuations. So I'm always constantly making money and harvesting each trade. It's part of that secret of my strategy. So although I'm just showing you the results of what I've been trading today, 31 trades, and had been remarkably won. Now let me take you now to the actual trading positions that I've just opened also this morning that I haven't closed as yet. My holding positions, I'm down by minus by 138,000, but as you can see, it doesn't matter because it's starting to recover. These are the last two trades here down the bottom, 58,000 and 102,000 out of the money. But according to the market, it is growing. It is making a return. You look at it. And of course, the other strategy that I am using here is simply just gold. I'm just using gold, using this chart to show me where it's going and making my trades accordingly. And of course, that chart tells me just buy the bloody thing. And it's pretty simple. I don't do a lot of analysis work. All I look at is what it's doing today, go through the time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, to give me some sort of indication where the gold is going, and the 1 day chart, of course. As long as you can be able to read these charts, the rest is pretty simple. The other thing that you will note is my lots. As you can see down the bottom here at the market price or pending order, I've only got 60 lots. I have traded 100% lots, but it seems to work with only 60 lots, so I'm staying with that. Now, let me show you how to operate this particular account. It's pretty simple. Now, I come into here, look at the chart, check out what it's doing, just double check it at the moment. Now, that's a 1 minute chart, 5 minute, 15 minute. And simply I'm just checking the chart to see where it could be going. Is it going up or is it could be going down, and make my trade accordingly. It's so far, it's proving to be a buyer market, bull market. So I'm going to simply make a trade going up. Now here are the two buttons, either up or down. According to the charts, they say go up. So all I do is push, buy, and trade has been executed. Check my trading positions. As you can see, that's the new one there. It's just been put up. It's in red. And that's it. That's how simple this chart is. But the key is, as I said, even though you get them in the red, this is the strategy that I apply. Just let those run. And while it's running, you try then and apply a strategy to counter. Hold on, let me take some of these trades out. I'm taking the profits, okay? This is taking the profit, not allowing me. I don't know why, but I'm going to let it roll. The strategy states, even though it's out of the money, you can trade out of it because the market, if we have a look at it, it goes up and down all the time. So even though, as you can see on the chart there, even though I could be losing, it can go up and go down. So I'm hoping, no, not hoping. This is experience showing it don't matter to me. I can trade myself out of the red and get these stocks back into profitable stocks in due time. And that's one of the strategies that I'm trying to show you on this trading app. The strategy, as I said, it's pretty simple. And of course, let me go back to show you something. Keeping your purchase lots down also. Don't buy too much. As you can see, I started trading this account with 100,000. Now it's up to 2-something million with only 10 lots. I think if I recall, it wasn't even 10 lots. It could have been less than that. It could have been 0.50 lots to make sure that my account will grow. It's only that I put it up to about 60 lots now because I've got plenty of money in the account, of course, to support any of these volatilities. And that's part of the process. You can't afford to lose. As you can see, 31 trades just today, all positive, all profits, pure profits. So remarkably, these results can be achieved. Now, if you want some of these results, you just got to hit me on Facebook. Just track me down and ask me the question how to be able to trade successfully on your own platform. Of course, there's just certain things you got to have. You got to have a bit of capital to support the trade, and I do apply what it's called a strategy that most people that don't apply because they are using what is called stop loss too often, and stop loss can take you out of the game without allowing it to process, and it's learning how to manage each open trade, just like I have shown you. See, not all my trades, these are current trades, are in the money, especially these last two in the red. It's learning then how to manage these stocks to be able to become profitable stocks. Now, that's a strategy that only I can teach you that if you wanted to. So again, hit me up on Facebook. Otherwise, subscribe to my videos so you can get some more of these in-depth trading strategies so you can be able to trade successfully, just like what you can see here on my account. But otherwise, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. But anyway, this is Stephen Harfoot from Harfoot Fortune. Stay away from scams. We love you. God loves you. And see you in my next video. Bye for now.